If you don't want that people tag you in your tweet in their tweet in your username, it will be disturbing for us. Okay, I think someone is does not like it if someone tag you or not in Twitter. So in this video I am gonna show you how you can control your tag. Okay, so if you want that, if someone eagerly tag you or not, it's completely depend on you. So how can you change your privacy? So let's get started this tutorial. So we need to go Twitter, click on Twitter icon, you can see here, and this is the interface of Twitter. So click left top corner three line. Okay, so click on here, and here you can see the your account information. So simply click settings and privacy. Then here you can see the second option after account privacy and safety. Click on it, and then you can finally got your desirous photo tagging. Okay, so you can see who can tag in your photo. So here is three option you can change according to your interest. So anyone can tag you, that means everyone can tag in your photo if you allow this option for your Twitter for your photo. And second,